What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a few news stories for you and a couple of questions, so let's go. First story of the day is about One UI 6 and which countries will see the beta release first. Now, the beta release should be very, very soon, in the next couple to few weeks, if not sooner than that. So here's the information being tweeted out from Tehran, who's saying that phase 1 of the beta for One UI 6 will happen in Korea, Germany, and the USA. And then phase 2 will be India, UK, Poland, and China. And obviously, he does say in another tweet, it's potential that that might change, but just be forewarned that the first 3 countries, again, Korea, Germany, and USA, should have it first out of everybody. Next up, as you can see from the headline, that the exclusive from Android Authority is saying that the Google Pixel 8 series will have bigger batteries and faster charging and more. So what are they talking about here? So they made a little graph here that the charging will get a slight increase from the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. So you'll now get 27 watt charging on the Pixel 8 Pro and 24 watt on the Pixel 8. And wireless charging will actually stay the same across the board for the different models as well. The batteries will get bigger. You can see the different changes. You're getting 4950 versus 4926, and you're getting 4485 versus 4270. So it's always nice to say. And then also the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be getting Wi-Fi 7 support, so the fastest Wi-Fi that will be available at the time of its release. Now, Steve Bell also asked me a question. I wanted to turn that into more of a story of what the cost of the OnePlus Fold will be. We don't actually know just yet. My guess is that they are going to come in a little lower than their competition, because generally they are a little bit less in terms of the cost that they have versus their competition. I don't expect, even though that OnePlus Fold is going to have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, up to 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, it's going to have a big display. That's basically better than the phones that are coming out in a lot of ways, or are out spec-wise. But I still don't think they're going to be higher than them. I think we're going to see this thing come in at no more than $1,699. If I had to really pin it down, I'd guess somewhere between $1,500 and $1,699 will be the cost of it. I don't think you'll see it definitely below $1,500. I don't think you'll see it above $1,700. That is my guess on the Pixel Fold, OnePlus Fold price on there. I think they generally price their devices a little bit less than the competition. Your question of the day is, what do you think the OnePlus Fold price will come in at? Put it in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump on our Q&A. Ben's asking why the Pixel Fold gets so much hate. I think it's really because of people are drawn to the devices in brands that they already like, such as from Samsung and things like that. So I think that would be a major reason why you see a lot of hate towards the Pixel Fold. And then also because it doesn't have a Snapdragon processor, or it doesn't have this, or it doesn't have that. Use the phone. I think you'll truly fall in love. I am loving my Pixel Fold phone, so that's why I think they get a lot of hate though. And Timothy is asking the last question about a deal he sees with the watch for classic watch. Does it have a bezel? Yes, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it does have a rotating bezel. I would recommend not getting it. It doesn't even run the newest Android Wear. It still runs Tizen. So I would say don't get that one. I would say just wait for the new watches to come out and get those. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.